We're taking a movie now of a kitten out of Peepers and Ring of Fire. He is a blue, high white, classic tabby male. He is stunning. Beautiful, beautiful kitten. He's old enough to go to his new home. He would be paying for him in full, and we would, as quickly as possible, take him to the veterinary for his flight certificate and get his flight booked to get him shipped to you. He's really sweet, he's very good-natured, and he is stunning. He's just a beautiful kitten. He can be purchased with breeding rights if you like, or as a pet. We didn't really give him a nickname, but I guess he's just so pretty. No names really seem to suit him. Usually I have a little nickname for most of the kittens, but not him, even though he's one of my favorites because he's just so gorgeous. He has a very, very open face, really big eyes. He is harlequin, or meaning that he has a dark charcoal nose against a white face. He's just really pretty, and he's real active. He likes to play. He's always romping with the other kittens and doing his share of damage in the playground. If you're interested in this kitten, contact me by email. Make sure he's still available, and then we can process the contract and his flight and health certificate real quickly. If you want to pick him up in person, that's okay too. We do that. So just let me know. This is Exotic Dit-Dots. Thank you for watching.